On the Blip today, a couple of stories from Apple. Apple is making house calls for repairs. Apple patents a foldable phone. Google Buds Plus has been confirmed to exist. And Dyson, the vacuum manufacturer, is entering the headphone market. All the details straight ahead. Welcome, fellow nerds. It is me, Jamocha, and this is the Blip, a show in which I cover news, highlights, and events from the world of tech. Before I jump into these stories, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date when we release new videos. Alright, let's jump right into it. First story, Galaxy Buds Plus have been confirmed. Now, of all places, this has been confirmed in the Apple App Store. Yes, there is an app for the Galaxy Buds Plus on the App Store there. So, confirmed by Apple again. So, a little bit of details about the Galaxy Buds Plus. It is believed that this will have a longer battery life as compared to the previous version. Now, they do not have noise canceling. Again, the previous ones didn't have it either. But when you did wear them, it did a pretty decent job of leveling out the noise a little bit. Not totally silent like a pair of noise canceling would be. So, a little bummer that they did not put noise canceling in them. But nonetheless, I do expect them to still be a very nice pair of headphones as the previous pair were. Samsung's Unpacked event is February 11th, where they will show off a new slew of Galaxy devices. We do expect the Galaxy Buds to be shown off as well. Okay, Apple is now making house calls for repairs. Yes, so now Apple is now offering repair options for their consumers. Now, as reported by Mac Rumors last week, they spotted that last week they were offering the on-site option or the home or the house option for devices on the Apple's support website. So according to Mac Rumors, on-site repairs are currently being offered in a few select cities such as San Francisco, Los Angeles, New York, Chicago, Houston, and Dallas. Of course, all the major hubs. I don't know when it will be rolled out to future cities. No information on that yet. So if you go to Apple's support website and then you click on whatever device and then click on like phone repair or whatever, you can get this option right here to say schedule repair. Notice right here it says in select locations on-site service may be available. So when you click that and drill down, it will give you different options of where you can take the phone or who can actually come to your home and actually do the repair. So Apple has been making repairs to enterprise consumers. They would go to the enterprise place of choice and do it there. So now they're bringing it to consumers. So that is a good plus for all you iPhone users out there. So take advantage of that. Dyson may soon enter the headphone market. Yes, Dyson, the vacuum manufacturer that makes those high-end, very slim, very sleek, modern vacuums, they are now entering the headphone market. Dyson has a patent that says the headphones will actually double as an air purifier for your face. So, as described by the patent, the air filters are built into the air cups themselves. So, a second band will come out from the headphones and will fold down over your mouth, and it will blow the purified air into your face. According to the patent, the headphones will have propellers that spin 12,000 revolutions per minute that will purify the dust particles. So, according to Bloomberg, Dyson has been actually working on this since 2018. So, it looks like they are pretty serious about getting into this market. So, I would expect a pair of headphones from Dyson to run you a number of bucks. And on top of that, have air filter in there, so probably $400 or $500 range. So we'll see how these progress in the near future. And Apple's planning a foldable iPhone. All right, so Apple has been dabbling with the foldable phones for a couple years now. There have been some patents out there, but this time they look to be really serious about it. According to the patent, Apple has a design that's actually different from all the others. So unlike other folding smartphones, Apple's patented phone will fold without any creases. Very important there. And also adding to it, the company plans to use glass and replace plastic. Now, as far as foldable phones are concerned, the Galaxy Fold Z is expected to have a thin layer of glass as well. So if you look here in this article, there's a lot of renders of some people's ideas of what the iPhone could look like. I'm not sure if any of that will come true. But digging into the patent a little bit, as far as their foldable design here, so it's a little bit different than all the other ones. So as you can see here, the glass here will actually bolt out and not become flat. So this will allow the screen itself to have extra room so it will not have a crease in it. So when the device is open, it will have little fingers here that will actually push up against the screen, so it will keep the integrity of the screen. So actually when you touch the device, it won't lose its form or shape. So it's pretty interesting design. Actually, that is different from everybody else right now. So we'll see how this comes to market. But again, it is a patent, so it may or may not come true. And if it does, I expect to be a couple years before we actually see something like this. Alright, so let me know down in the comments, are you excited about Dyson air purifier headphones? Could have something there. Also, Apple's patent for their foldable screen looks very unique compared to the others. Let me know if you're excited about that. And that's all the stories I have for you. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Stay nerdy.